Nagbalik tanaw si Philippine Football Federation Director of Senior National Teams, Freddy Gonzalez, sa naging matagumpay na kampanya ng Philippine Men's National Football Team sa ASEAN Mitsubishi Electric Cup 2024. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Daryl Oclares.
Matagumpay ang naging pagsasara ng 2024 para sa ating Philippine Men's National Football Team dahil sa kanilang pagbabalik sa semifinals ng ASEAN Mitsubishi Electric Cup matapos ang 6 na taon. Nagawa rin ng ating football squad na manalo kontra sa mga Southeast Asian powerhouse na Thailand at Indonesia na matagal na rin nating hindi natatalo. Dahil dito nagkaroon ng pag-asa ang mga Pinoy fans na ilang taon na rin naghintay sa muling pag-angat ng estado ng Philippine football. Sa naging panayam kay Philippine Football Federation Director of Senior National Teams Freddy Gonzalez kamakailan, sinabi niya na simula pa lamang ito ng kanilang misyon na mas pausayin ang ating football team. Anya, marami pang mga Filipino booters ang dapat naabangang maglaro sa pambansang koponan.
I think now it gives everybody hope. You know, over the last how many years, Philippine football has kind of been on a downward trend. And so when I got this job, we set out to start bringing us back up. And the goal was, as I said when I first did my first interview, is that, you know, we go with every tournament coming to win.
Hiling din ni Gonzalez ang patuloy na suporta ng kanilang mga fans na nagsisilbi nilang mga 12th man.
Unbelievable. We're back where we should be, you know, and we're gonna continue and we're gonna keep building this team. We have a good group of young talent mixed with some veterans, and I hope that, you know, the Filipino general public really, really embraces this group and, you know, brings football back to the top of Philippine sports.
Inaasahan na magbabalik aksyon ang Philippine Men's National Football Team sa final round ng 2027 AFC Asian Cup qualification kung saan nila makatapat sa Group A ang Tajikistan, Maldives at Timor-Leste. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.